Hi to a few people as well on X. Hi to Liv. Hi to Rice Cake Ian. Greeting Fitz. Juan Miguel Gamotia. Hi to John Paulo Valdez and Paul, as well as Jean and Guido. And that's it for greets.
Also saying happy birthday to our very own Ivan.
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Ivan!
Ivan.
Nandyan sa labas. He's sending messages.
Working hard.
For
Good
sure.
morning, Ivan. Have a good one.
Have a good one. And why don't we get to the top 10? Our hashtag for today is proof that you are Pinoy, sent in by ODH. From Helmerito, number 10. Hashtag proof that you are Pinoy kapag yung pinsan ng kaibigan ng kapitbahay, ng kasambahay, ng kaklase, ng kapatid, ng tito, ng kalaro mo nung bata ka pa ay tinuturing mong kamag-anak.
Oh my God. I
That's a
lost
mouthful.
track. I mean, well, something we're used to, right? Kasi masyadong wordy yung
ODH kasi
rosters
nag-send.
natin.
Or no, si Helmerito talaga.
Oo, ganyan yan talaga. So we're
Yes.
used to it. We're used to it.
Yes. You know what? My family tree from Bacolod is so many pages long that I can't keep track of how many kamag-anak I have.
That's crazy.
It's a book. We have a book. Because I had
Wow.
one great-grandmother or grandfather or something who had 100 children.
Oh my God, 100?
About 100,
But
yeah.
you know what? That's